Hi everyone, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Cara. It is Christmas and July swap. This is part one. This is a three-part swap series. And the wonderful host for this particular collaboration is Carol from Crinkled Path, Angela from The Traveling Crafter, Bianca from BB's Closet Creations, and Sarah from New England Journals. We also have a wonderful lineup of creators that are joining in the fun. We have Pamela's Creations, Lorie, Enchanted Dreams. There's Jovi from Creating with Jovi, Celeste from Woodland Inspired, Dolores from Dolores J. Rush, Meg from Chasing Retro, Shawana My Reality Crafts, Jodylea, whose channel is Jodylea Creations, Patty from Just Journaling with Possum Patty, Sierra from Cooley Craft Corner, there's MJ from My Paper Journey, Cara from My Paper Confessions at Cara, which is my channel, Trudy at Trudy Craig, Carol Lily Rose Blue, it's Carol Johnson's channel, and Sandy Wilhelmina Junk Journals, Angela Creating with Angela, at Darius T2958, Blue North Crafting, and the Canadian participants are Hazel Anako Design and Kathy from Grace CO Paper Studio. So I will have all the links down below for all these wonderful channels. Let me just adjust my camera and let us take a look at what my Secret Santa partner sent me. So for part one, we were to make 3 different tags, and this would be either Christmas or any theme that kind of related to whatever a partner likes. So I'm super excited. I have no clue who this is from. Look at that cute silver foil sticker. It says Merry Christmas. I love Christmas, so I'm super excited. Let's open this up. All right, guys, here goes. I had to open off camera because it was really nice. I just want to make sure I got everything out. Check it out. We have a snowman. How fitting. Look at my decor. Just wanted to quickly show you. I have my cute little snowman. So that is awesome. It says, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we have a little note here. It says, hello, Clarissa. Happy Christmas in July 2024. I had so much fun crafting tags for you. I went with the snowman theme in blue as it's some of your favorite themes and colors. Thank you so much. I hope you like them from your Secret Santa. And look, the card was left blank, so I can definitely use this in my holiday journal. I love it already. So let's open this. There are 3 individually wrapped gifts here, and I love this eyelash yarn. Oops, did I just, oh, I opened, okay, let's open the first one. I am getting ahead of myself here. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Our snowman themed tag here is tag number 1. Are you ready for this? Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. This is gorgeous. I love it. Look at the blues. I love winter theme, Christmas. Oh my gosh, look at that snowman. And do you see these miniature pieces in the pocket? I love the layerings, and you can see that there are layers of tags put on top with their cute little pocket and the rhinestone. And these come off and they are miniature tags. I love it. No clue in the back, but we see some stitching there. And look at this cute little bundle of trim and yarn. I love the fuzziness of that. Thank you very much. That is tag number 1. Now let's open number 2. Here it is. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Here is number 2 tag. Again, love this trim and yarn. Oh, I love it. I love the corrugated cardboard. All the textures on there. And look at the snowflakes. This is too cute. Look at the trim and that adorable snowman. Look at the stitching. I hope you guys see it there. Let me see on the back. Wonderful. This is too sweet. I'm going to use this as a journaling spot in my Christmas journal. This is just adorable. And last but not least, we have Number 3. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Look at those colors. Oh, indigo blue and some lavender, which are my favorite colors. Now this is a little bit different. I think it's a shaker. It is a shaker. Look at that. I love this frame. And our 2 adorable snowmen with some of this underneath. That is so cute. Very detailed. This takes a lot of work to put together with the mini die cuts. I just love the background, the snowflake and the stars. Let's give it a good shake and show you those shaker elements in there. That is just amazing. I love it. Thank you so much. I have no clue who has sent this to me. Super excited. Part 2, we were to send a few Christmas supplies or craft supplies. So look forward to that. Please make sure to check out our hosts and the wonderful participants down below in the description box. Again, a big thank you to my Secret Santa partner. I love these. They are adorable. So please take a look again at these adorable snowman Christmas tags. Thanks again for watching Christmas in July Swap. Make sure to check out everyone's channels in unboxings. I'll see you next time. Bye.